Right, let's also go across to Vinny for more on those HUL numbers as well. Sanjeev Mehta also talking about there are not too many disruptions like vertical lockdowns that are happening in different parts of the country. And if they don't remain extended over a period of time, then we could see September a better picture. But let's go across to Vinny for a detailed look at the numbers.
HUL posted its Q1 FY-21 numbers, and the numbers are better than what we were expecting in terms of the top line as well as the bottom line. And in terms of margins, the margins have also been in line with the ET Now expectations. Now, quickly taking you through the numbers, revenue has again climbed back to the 10,000 crore mark, and it's at 10,560 crores, and it's up by around 4% on a year-on-year basis. So surely we have seen some improvement in the revenue over there as well. Talking about the margins, margins are at 25% versus 26% on a year-on-year basis. Yes, we have seen a slight contraction in the margins, but overall the profitability of the company has surely improved, and it's up by 7%. And this is the company is also seeing an exceptional expense of around 1,018 crores during the quarter. Now, mainly if you talk about the volume growth, so the company does mention an underlying volume growth which has seen a decline of 8%. Now, overall, the company did say in its press conference call that that 80% of their business delivered a 6% growth. So that remaining 20% was something that really impacted the company. And then in that 20%, what actually comes in is like ice creams, skincare products, beauty care products, all those products which are not staples, and your discretionary spends is what was severely impacted by the company, and that is what impacted the revenues as well as overall impacted the company's business as well. Now, during the quarter, this is the first quarter that the company has given its results with GSK Consumer merger, and they did say that GSK Consumer has seen a good growth in the nutrition business, and overall they have given GSK has managed a good performance in terms of the nutrition business for both in terms of revenues as well as in terms of profitability of the company. The health and hygiene segment has seen a good growth and a mid-single-digit growth. Lifebuoy also delivered almost a double-digit growth during the quarter. So that has seen a really sharp increase in due to the demands and consumers focusing more on health hygiene is what has driven the growth of this both these segments as well. Now, like I mentioned, ice cream and vending machine, which is out of home consumption, that has surely been impacted, and that is severely impacted. Overall, if you go to see, the beauty care segment has seen a decline of 12%. Now, food and refreshments, this includes the nutrition business of GSK, that has overall seen a good growth of 52% during the quarter. So that's quite a positive sign. And the management did say on the demand commentary that they're quite uncertain about the demand, but they did say that they're seeing a good growth in the rural area, and the rural demand is quite good. So, overall, all in all, this is a better than expected result from HUL in Q1.
Okay, let's take a very quick break on that note. Back with more in just a minute.